Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install August Smart Lock Plus HomeKit on iPhone, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the August Smart Lock from its packaging. Ensure you have all the components, including the lock, the mounting plate, and the screws. Next, verify that the lock is compatible with your door. Check the thickness of your door and the backset measurement. Once confirmed, remove the existing deadbolt from your door. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the deadbolt and gently pull it out. Now, take the mounting plate from the August Smart Lock package. Align the mounting plate with the holes from your previous deadbolt. Secure the mounting plate with the screws provided. Insert the August Smart Lock onto the mounting plate. Make sure it is properly aligned and fits snugly. Next, insert the batteries into the lock. Follow the orientation indicated within the battery compartment. Now, download the August app from the App Store on your iPhone. Open the app and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Once logged in, select the option to add a new lock. The app will prompt you to choose your lock type. Select August Smart Lock. The app will now instruct you to hold the connect button on the lock. Press and hold the button until you hear a chime. Your lock will now enter pairing mode. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your iPhone to the lock via Bluetooth. Once paired, you will be prompted to name your lock. Choose a name that makes it easy for you to identify it later. The app will then guide you through the setup process. You may also need to calibrate the lock's position. Follow the app's instructions to ensure proper alignment and functionality. Once setup is complete, you can now add Apple HomeKit integration. Open the Home app on your iPhone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.